I was always a very big fan of Savitri Mata. Um, I feel that in 1800, taking the first step to bring education to women must be so very difficult. And
I think, this movie reminds of what struggles a female has to go through to get what they are getting at the moment. So that's why I'm very grateful to Savitri. She did so much for us. Because of her, we are here. We have studied. And, otherwise that was a kind of a concept I think nobody could have touched. If
I love that never give up on your dreams. Yeah. And keep pushing on even when everything seems lost. I learned that Jyotirao Phule was a significant person in the history of human rights, and he should always be honored.
I'm so glad, I'm so grateful for सावित्रीबाई फुले जिनके कारण मैं यहाँ आज से भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हूँ। विद्या की देवता हम सरस्वती माता को बोलते हैं, पर मेरे लिए विद्या की देवता सावित्रीबाई फुले ही है. तुम्ही खूप चांगली होती, उत्कृष्ट होती. सगळे असे सीन एकदम असे इमोशनल करणारे होते आणि रिलेट होत होता हर एक सीन. I think this movie, it's really eye-opening in that a lot of girls like me, because I go to a lot of these high schools, sometimes you sit in school and you think, oh, this is so boring, why do you have to do this? I think this movie really reminds us how important education is.
First of all, I was not aware of the works that Jyotiba Phule and Savitri Phule had done for our community. So it was very eye-opening and very much progressive that they have done. I pay back a lot of respect and my sentiments to them. So I'm very, very thankful. It was very sentimental movie, very emotional at some stages as well. So I did tear up a little bit. I didn't cry because it was not a space to cry, but yeah, it was very, very lovely.
This was a very emotional experience for me because now we get so caught up with the routine, we forget the struggle that social reformers like Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar they have done for us. So it was a very emotional experience, and thank you so much for organizing the movie.
I'm from Sydney Fraternity, and first of all, I really felt that all of our movies which are made on our idols usually aren't really screened so popularly, and this movie has faced a lot of opposition even in India, and so I really wanted our people to come together as a community and watch it together, and to really remember our idols, Savitribai Phule, Mahatma Phule, and look at what they've done in their lives, and we can maybe emulate even 1% of that. I think we can, be successful in.
First of all, thank you very much. आपण सगळ्यांनी ही मूवी सिनेला स्क्रीन केली. I have found the movie very intriguing, very amazing. The cinematography and the direction was amazing. The actors were really portraying their role amazingly. प्रतीक गांधी वॉज अमेझिंग, पत्रलेखा वॉज फॅब्युलस.
ज्यांना अगोदर त्यांच्या बारेमध्ये माहिती होतं त्यांच्यासाठी खूप इमोशनल मूवी होती, कारण त्यांना माहिती आहे की त्यांनी काय स्ट्रगल केलं. फातिमा शेख जे प्रथम मुस्लिम शिक्षिका होती, त्यांच्याबद्दल आज सगळ्यांना माहिती झालं, ज्याच्याबद्दल सगळ्यांना मला नाही वाटत सगळ्यांना माहिती होतं की इंडियामध्ये आपल्याला माहिती आहे की ह्या मूवीला खूप सारे थिएटर्स नाही मिळाले आहेत. आणि माझा असा प्रश्न ओपिनियन आहे की भेटायला पाहिजे होतं, कारण लोकांना हिस्ट्री माहिती असायला पाहिजे, कारण ज्याला हिस्ट्री माहीत नाही तो इथं जडू शकत नाही. इतकं वाटतं.
मूवी वॉज रिअली गुड. आम्ही खूप क्लीन होतो मूवी बघायसाठी. खूप उत्सुकता होती. इंडियामध्ये व्ह्यूज पण ऐकले होते दुसऱ्यांच्याकडून जे मूवी जाऊन बघून आले होते. थँक्स फॉर दिस ग्रुप ज्यांनी ऑर्गनाईज केलं सिडनीमध्ये, ज्याची अपेक्षा नव्हती, कारण की इव्हन इंडियामध्ये लोकांना बघायला मिळत नव्हते. बट वी आर इन सिडनी आणि आम्हाला सिडनीमध्ये बघायची जी अपॉर्च्युनिटी दिली त्याबद्दल थँक्स अ लॉट.
मूवी तर छान वाटली.
कसं वाटलं?
सर्व जे काही केलं ते स्त्रियांसाठी खूप केलं महात्मा सावित्रीबाई फुलेंनी, आणि त्याच्यामुळं आपल्या लेडीजला शिकायचा चान्स मिळाला.
Yeah, it's an ideological mentor, and you should be proper size. So it's wonderful to have watched the movie here.
Hi, I'm Devi. I'm from Patna. the most inspiring part of the movie is the partnership that Savitribai and Jyotiba Phule share, and I think every girl deserves that partner. And I just urge the girls to find a partner like me, so that they will find the true liberation. Thank you.
Alright. Hello, my name is Gokulan. I really loved the movie. It's with a great quality. The picture is it's really good, and it went really fast as well. Now we know the history here and there. People told us. For me, it just gives me a complete end-to-end story of where it started and how what kind of struggles they faced. Uh, sure, cinema has an impact, and it truly had an impact.
Yeah, thank you. So yesterday I watched that movie with my friends and my community members as well. We really enjoyed that movie.
Like Fully couple have always been my favorite, and getting to see them in a movie theater, it's like a dream come true. I wanted that experience, and more people should know their story, and here we are in Sydney, far away from our home country, and still doing that. It's sort of revolutionary, and yeah, great efforts, and kudos to the team.
मूवी बहुत अच्छी थी, और वैसे तो मैंने इस बारे में पढ़ा हुआ था, लेकिन मूवी को देख करके मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। एक वो सीन जहाँ पे गोबर फेंका, लेकिन एक लेडीज होने के बाद भी मिसेस फूले बिल्कुल डरी रही, जो कि
जी बहुत ਵਧੀਆ ਸੀ ਇਹ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਹਾਤਮਾ ਜੋਤੀਰਾਓ ਫੂਲੇ ਜੋ ਸੋਸ਼ਲ ਰਿਫਾਰਮਰ ਹੋਏ ਬਹੁਜਨ ਸਮਾਜ ਦੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬੜੇ ਵਧੀਆ ਢੰਗ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ ਸੀ।
आज हमें सौभाग्य मिला है कि हम फूले मूवी देख पाए हैं सिडनी अम्बेडकर फ्रेटर्निटी ग्रुप के माध्यम से। मैं सभी को ये बोलना चाहूँगा, आप ये मूवी जरूर देखें। It was really good. It was really emotional, and I had a really wonderful experience. I cried like more than 20 times. I got to learn a lot of things about Jyotiba and then Savitribai Phule as well, and then how the history revolved and how was it all along. And I really enjoyed it. And thank you for director, thank you the actors and everyone who were involved. And yeah, I wish you the best, and thanks so much.